we're back.
Come on, Eileen.
Fun Factory. Come on, Eileen. Let's go.
Poor old Johnny Ray. Sun is set upon the radio. Move a million hearts in mono.
Ooh, our mothers cry. Don't cry, don't cry.
Sing along and who'll blame them?
Everybody.
Grown, so grown. Now I must say more than ever.
They'll never say what?
Tooraloo-ra, tooraloo-ra, yeah. And we sing just like our fathers.
Let's go.
Come on, Eileen. Oh, I swear we're in this. At this moment, you mean everything.
Let's go.
You and your dress, all my thoughts I confess. Virgin dirty. Come on, Eileen. Come on, Eileen. Oh, I swear we're in this. At this moment, you mean everything. You and your dress, all my thoughts I confess. Virgin dirty. Come on, Eileen.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
There's people around here.
Come, tell them, tell them.
We've been down and sunk and smoked our face. There is eye to what they faded. But not
Say
us,
what?
not us. We are far too young and clever.
Come on, y'all. Oh, let's go.
Tooraloo-ra, tooraloo-ra, yeah. And I'll hum this tune forever.
Let's go.
Come on, Eileen. Oh, I swear. Come on, let's take off every stain. The pretty red dress, Eileen. Come on, let's. Come on, Eileen, please.
Break it down.
Come on, Eileen, tooraloo-ra. Come on, Eileen, tooraloo-ra. Now you're full grown. Now you have shown. Oh, Eileen.
Let's go.
Tooraloo-ra, tooraloo-ra, yeah. And I'll hum this tune forever.
Fun Factory.
Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear. Come on, let's take off every stain. The pretty red dress, Eileen. Come on, let's. Come on, Eileen. Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear. Come on, let's take off every stain. The pretty red dress, Eileen. Come on, let's. Come on, Eileen, please.
That's it. Fun Factory. Come on, Eileen.
This dance is called Fun Factory, choreographed by Jonas, Dahlgren, Grace David, and Dirk, Leibing. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improved level line dance. One tag occurs 5 times and 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, cross, side, behind, point to the side, 1/8 right, walk, left, right, left foot, step, lock, step, sweep your right. Section 2, jazz box, 1/8 right, cross, back, 1/8 right, side, cross, step right foot to the side, sway, right, left, and flick your right foot back. Section 3, cross, side, quarter turn right, sailor step, forward, half turn left, step right foot back, shuffle half turn to your left, quarter turn left, side together, quarter turn left, forward, facing 6 o'clock. Last section, right foot, rock forward, recover, step, lock, step, left foot, rock forward, recover, forward, quarter turn left, point to the side, or flick your right. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the stance, there's a 4-count tag, occurs 5 times. After wall 2, facing 6, after wall 4, facing 12, after wall 7, facing 9, and after 16 counts of wall 6, facing 6, after 16 counts of wall 9, facing 3 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag. Starting with the right foot, cross rock, recover, side rock, recover. With the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.